All right, so we're going to talk about dividing mixed numbers. So let's go over the steps. The first thing, just like multiplying mixed numbers, is we need to convert to improper fractions. Okay, so we need to change our mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then we need to do keep, change, flip, right? So we keep the first fraction, change it to multiplication, and then flip to find the reciprocal. Then we check for cross products. And then we multiply our numerators and denominators. Remember, we multiply straight across. And last step is always to simplify. Okay, put them into either mixed numbers or just simplify it down if you didn't check for cross products. Right? If you need to pause to type, pause the type, but otherwise I'm going to keep on going. All right, so example 1, let's go through that together. First, we need to change our improper fraction, that second one, into our mixed number improper fraction. So remember, this 5 becomes 5/1. We're going to keep this division, and we're going to do keep, and then, right, so 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3/2. So now that we have that, we do keep, change, flip. So we keep the 5/1, change the multiplication, flip this, becomes 2/3. And then we look for cross products. We can't multiply 5 and 3 by anything. What about 2 and 1? No. So then we multiply straight across and we get 10/3. And again, we need to make that into a mixed number. So 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. Okay. Next one, we are going to skip example 2 because it just has really big numbers and I should have changed them before, but I forgot. So we're just going to skip example 3 and we're going to go to example 4. So again, we make these into improper. So we do 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22/4. And this becomes 2/1, right? And then we do keep, change, flip. Keep the first one, 22/4, change the multiplication, flip this to become 1/2. Now we're going to check for cross products. We have cross products here with 22 and 2. We could divide them both by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now we multiply straight across. 11 times 1 is 11. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 goes in on 11 2 times with 3 left over. 3 left over. Okay. Yeah. All right. So I want you to try example 4 on your own. Okay. So try example 4 right now. Pause. Okay. Hopefully you got 10/7 divided by 3/10. And then remember, we do keep, change, flip, and then cross products. Okay. And then we don't have any cross products, so we just multiply straight across. And you get 100 add 21, which goes 4 times with some left over, right? 100 minus 84 is 16/21 left over. Okay. Now I want you to try example 5 and 6 all on your own. Make sure you simplify as much as possible. All right. Hopefully you got 1 3/15. 1 3/15. Sorry, 1 3/5. And then 4 4/7 is what you should have gotten. If you need to look at the work, there it is for you. But otherwise, ask in class.